Nice one. So good. Today I'm going to be giving you a beautiful recipe from spinach, blueberry, and sea moss. Stay tuned. So we're going to start it off with some frozen blueberry. So we're going to put roughly about a teaspoon of organic honey, sea moss. So we're going to put a good teaspoon of sea moss inside of it. Now you can get this from oceanmoss.co.uk. All right. Good sea moss, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Squeeze half of a lemon juice inside of it like this. Also a slice of lemon, ginger, not lemon, ginger inside of it. Half tablespoon of chia seeds inside of it. Put half a tablespoon of flaxseed powder inside of it. Half cups of water. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna put it to the blend. Serve it right here. Beautiful and nice. Wow, that is amazing. Enjoy it.